Hello, comfort lovers and style enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you on a special journey, a glimpse into the heart and soul of our Baygan blankets, where every weave tells a story of unmatched craftsmanship. Imagine a world where every thread is not just a thread, but a carrier of warmth and comfort. This is where our journey begins, in the skilled hands of our artisans. With years of experience and a passion unmatched, they transform simple yarn into a masterpiece of coziness. Let's dive into the materials that make our blankets a luxury. We choose only the finest fabrics, each selected for its softness, strength, and sustainability. From the plush textures to the gentle caress against your skin, every material is a promise of quality. Now picture the art of design, a process where creativity meets precision. Our designs start as mere ideas, blooming into intricate patterns and vibrant colors on paper. Each design is a testament to our commitment to bringing you not just a blanket, but a piece of art. But it's not just about looks, it's about longevity. Our quality assurance process is rigorous, ensuring every blanket that reaches you is perfect. From strength tests to texture checks, we leave no stone unturned in our quest for perfection. And let's not forget the unique features that set our blankets apart. Whether it's a special weaving technique that adds an extra layer of warmth or an innovative blend of fabrics for all-season comfort, each Baygan blanket is a marvel of innovation. So, there you have it. A behind-the-scenes look at the craftsmanship that goes into every Baygan blanket. It's more than just a blanket. It's a hug from us to you, crafted with care, love, and a sprinkle of magic. Wrap yourself in the luxury of our craftsmanship and feel the difference. With Baygan, every night is a good night. Sweet dreams and stay cozy.